Chuck here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We just got finished with an awesome rain this morning. It's like this time of year. Well, it's like this a lot in Florida. It just kind of rains a little bit and then just kind of goes away and then it's beautiful. But today we have a lot to do on our last day here in Fort Lauderdale. We are headed back to California. We're gonna spend some time in Santa Cruz. I've never been there. Paige says it's extremely beautiful. We're gonna take a very scenic route along the coastline from San Francisco down to Santa Cruz, and it's gonna be fun. But today we are gonna go meet up with my aunt to go have breakfast one last time this morning. She should be here any minute now, and got to get Paige on that horse this afternoon. But today we're just catching up on some laundry and just gonna pack up our things, get more organized for our next journey. I can't wait to get back to Thailand, but we have another, I think, 5 days in California, and we're gonna spend the last 3 with my daughter in Vacaville. But yesterday we went to Hialeah, visited my father. We had breakfast at my stepmom's job. She works at IHOP by Miami International Airport. That's just what she likes to do. I don't know that she has to, but she likes to do that. She's been there for a long time, and I guess it's her entertainment. I'm not sure. But they've been together for a long time and finally decided to get married. So we went and visited my father in Hialeah. I'll share the little trip with you on the scenic view through downtown Hialeah. In case you guys were wondering, all the fancy housing and nice buildings I've been showing you guys, this is where I grew up as a little kid, in this area. not in the fancy area. My dad has lived down here almost his whole life. This house was my great-grandmother's house that he's living in now. And everybody's house here, you know, it's like Thailand. They're all like color, you know, like bright colors and neutral colors. But his looks like a battleship. I bet it still does. Yep, there's the battleship. As his neighbors, he gets pissed because they try to park in his. Look how many cars they have. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, we're going inside. Look at this this is a gigantic avocado tree. Wow. It's hot too. I guess it's sitting in the sun, huh?
Wow, that's deep.
I take a stick and I knock them down and they don't break. And they're really, really good. Well, this one's still good. That one's good. You can have that one if you want to take it back to the house. Well, we are going to leave here and go down to Hollywood, get a beer. So my dad, check it out, saw that I broke my Ray-Bans in Texas. They were Ray-Bans, they just weren't as good as these. These actually are real fit. So, but anyway, he gave these to me because it's not his style. You used the, yeah. And I got this. Where is it? Yeah, this is a GoPro 7. I don't know what to do with this thing. I was like, well, I just lost mine in the ocean, so you know. He goes, well, here, you can have it. So now I've got a 7 that I can set up, and yeah, it's all good. Let's go see if we can get some Mexican beer, huh? Because I'm still full from breakfast. So anyway,
No sexing.
okay, I've got this GoPro here. It's very windy. I don't have anything but just a GoPro, no gimbal. So let's, I just stuck my little SIM card in here. I've never used this one. I don't even know how to adjust the quality yet. I want to put it probably on 1080, 60 is what I usually do. So anyway, let's go. We'll see how windy it sounds. No, this is Hollywood Beach, like Thailand. Where's the restroom? Well, we're back home. I just figured out how to get this camera on 1080, but I had it on HEVC. And it won't work on my laptop. My laptop's like 6 years old, but my program wants me to download some $5 application to play those types of videos. So anyway, I'm not going to do it. I just figured out how to change the settings on the camera. It was all in Spanish, so I figured out how to get it in English first. But anyway, so I had some other video. Just us. We went to Margaritaville, had we had a couple land sharks, and that was about it. But yeah, now we're back home. So yeah, it was a very interesting visit. Everybody keeps saying, well, your father looks really young. Yeah, he got good genes, I guess, but my dad is pushing 70, and my mom was 16 and my dad was 18 when I was born. So there you go. I'm 51 years old, but hopefully I look that good at his age, probably, since we pretty much look the same today. But anyway, I'm going to bring you guys along today. I want to do something for my cousins for letting us stay here in their house. We're going to go back to the grocery store. I think I'm going to make them a good old-fashioned pot roast on a slow cooker with some homemade mashed potatoes and gravy. And I was going to make homemade bread, but I just looked in their freezer and they've got a lot of garlic bread, so maybe just that. But all right, we're here in Publix. I've got to find me a roast for tonight, something that looks like this. I don't want to get too much, you know, because they've got so much damn food there. I'm afraid they have too much leftovers. Let's look. Okay, we've got everything I need to make my roast. We're just kind of walking around. I wish we had a lot of this stuff back home, but I enjoy making, you know, homemade stuff. But look, you could just get it. It's just here, you know. Cinnamon rolls, biscuits. Pecan. It looks so good. Reese's is my favorite. Can't bring that back.
You have to put it in your tummy.
Yeah, no, I got too much in my tummy right now. So much ice cream and yeah. sandwich. They won't be home till late this evening. They've got busy lives, busy schedules, and yeah, that's what's happening today. So anyway, guys, I really appreciate all the awesome comments. It's been a great adventure here in the United States. I'll give a recap at the end of this journey to kind of tell you how I feel about things here in the United States, and I don't know, we'll talk about it then. Anyway, I'm so ready to go back home and I don't like routines. I don't like to do the same things over and over again, but I miss my morning soup and my coffee on my loud street side, which is kind of quiet in the morning back home, but I miss the activities and the people, and we've got a very awesome trip going down south to Phuket. I'm not really sure the exact date. I think towards the beginning of November, but we've got some people that are going to come with us, which is always fun to have a group of people go do things. Me and Paige really enjoy doing things by ourselves for sure, but sometimes it's fun to go with a group of people. But yeah, okay, let's go eat some breakfast at the Cuban restaurant, and maybe we'll get in the pool today one last time. I'm pretty sure that it'll clear up. It doesn't stay raining like this all the time, but anyway. Sun's already trying to come out. Well, my aunt's here with her diesel Duramax. Good morning, how are you?
Hi, checking the phone.
Oh.
And they are really dumb.
In Thailand, that would be food.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Well, there you go, our Cuban American style breakfast. Anyway, hey, look who's here. This is John. John, I forgot your last name.
Jordan.
John Jordan. John was married to my cousin who passed away several years ago, and he just was sitting back to me. He goes, "Is that Chuck?" I haven't seen him in a long time, but he probably doesn't watch my videos much anymore. But anyway, he watched him a long time ago when we were traveling in a travel trailer. But anyway, awesome. I don't really know what is that, Emily? It's potato, right?
That's what I told you not to get the other day.
I've had it before, but it's just
It
a
is
potato.
potatoes.
Yeah.
Some kind of potatoes.
Yeah. Anyway, I'd like to give a shout out to a subscriber of mine, Peter Fisher. I hope you are doing really well today. Your buddy Nigel says that you're taking a break. You can't get around very much these days, but hope you get up soon and get through your little issue you're having. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. Oh, there it is, pot roast. Awesome. Homemade mashed potatoes, gravy, and garlic bread. Yay. Dig in.
Are you gonna cut it? I put the knife for you. You cut it.
That's mine.
I don't drink it.
I already drank out
I want to drink it too. Come on, do the honors, Chuck.
It's not a trouble.
It's not a turkey. Well, the first time that we cooked a turkey here, because my mom always cooks the turkey, we had to YouTube how to properly carve the turkey. So did you cancel practice today?
Well, guys, that's it. It's time to go to bed. We're going to get up at 6:45. No, we're going to leave here at 6:45 to head to our next adventure back in California. It's going to be super fun. We're going to Santa Cruz. Santa Monica? No. Santa Cruz? Santa Cruz. Anyway, I hope you guys come with us. Thank you for watching. Thanks for the awesome comments. Sorry I'm not able to answer all of you while I'm running all over the place. But anyway, if you like it, hit like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Say bye, cousin. Bye, Skinny.
Bye.